Is it necessary to have custodial interrogation? Yes. What do you have to say? We'll release him on bail. No city.
Actually, he is neither Kazi nor Sub Kazi, my lord. He is the Maulana. He is, my lord, teaching in a private institution, my lord. There. Nothing, no, my lord, nothing at all. Moreover, this girl belongs to another village also. He does not know even them, my lord. Only
No, this child marriage, which is the law? What is the law involved here? Under
Yes.
which law is it offense?
Prohibition of child marriage act, my lord. 9, 10 in the
9, 10.
state.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Is it a cognizable offense?
Cognizable non-bailable
No,
2 years
non-bailable.
punishment, my lord. But here, POXO has been
Cognizable, non-bailable.
Cognizable, non-bailable.
Yes.
Which section?
2 years, my lord, your lawsuit
9,
fine.
10.
9 your lawsuit fine. 9 punishment, whoever being a male child about so and so, extend to 2 years, my lord.
No, but the allegation against petitioner, has he married?
No.
Then section 9 relates to the person who marries a child.
Married.
Then why have you arrested him?
13.
Only if the 10, my lord, maybe because they whoever performs, conducts, directs, or abates any child. Yeah.
Which is the section? Which is the relevant section?
In fact, if anybody other than child, my lord, other than that, it may be section 10. 10 or 11 it may come. Other than those concerned.
9, 10, 11.
11 was.
11 is mixed.
11 is punishment for promoting, permitting, solemnization.
11, section 11.
So nothing is there against him, Mario was standing so. Yeah, what they have written in the FIR, sorry, forwarding report, what red-handed matter, what does it mean? He was, FIR was second. On third night, he was taken from his home, dead of night, from his home, he was taken. And then he was kept the whole night, then on fourth, he was forwarded, matter. In the forwarding report stated, what red-handed matter. Purely, matter, without applying simple because of this, matter, this crackdown started, matter. The people, unless, and moreover, the child as well as family members not been even arrested till to the mind. And marriage also, my lord, as per section 2, my lord, also, my lord. Marriage can be declared to be void only by a court.
Thus, trial is another matter. Charge is framed. But what do you want to get by custodial interrogation of these people? What is that? Either he has abated or he has not. Either it's a case of child marriage or it is not. For that, is it necessary to have custodial interrogation?
That
What is the idea behind that?
right now it is difficult to say. I do not know what is there in the case there. But from the ground of it says the accused person caught red-handed. I do not know what kind of red-handed.
Marriage is not taken.
Maybe he was performing the marriage.
No.
At that time itself, he was arrested. That I do not know, my lord.
2021, my marriage year lawsuit fine FIR page 11. During the year 2021, marriage took place as per FIR. How court red-handed?
Yes. What do you have to say?
Uh,
We'll release him on bail. No CD. These are not matters for CD. Yes, heard
Only one line
Mr.
objection
Yes,
to be recorded.
yes. Heard Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. Ayman, Learned Counsel appearing for the applicant. Also heard Mr. D. Das, Learned APP Assam, appearing for the state. First up, the applicant herein was arrested on, what is the date of arrest? 4/2/2023.
Yes, it will be 4.
4/23.
In connection with Abhayapuri PS
10 days.
case number 39/2023, registered under sections 9, 10, 11 of the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006, read with section 6/17 of the POXO Act, 2012. And since then he is in custody. By filing this application under section 439 of the CRPC, the applicant is praying for an order of his release on bail. First up, by referring to the FIR, Mr. Chaudhary, FIR dated 4/2/2023, 2/2/2023. Mr. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel for the applicant, submits that as per the FIR, the marriage took place in the year 2021. And it has been mentioned that applicant was caught red-handed However, none of the family members of the alleged victim girl has been arrested, nor any case is pending against them. Despite the same, the applicant, who is merely a what is it, Maulana?
He is a Maulana in a madrasa, my lord.
Maulana in a madrasa, and having nothing to do
He is
with
neither
regard to
Qazi nor sub Qazi.
Maulana in a madrasa and not a Qazi or a sub-Qazi has been arrested on a completely baseless allegation. Full stop. Mr. Das submits that Das submits that he may be granted some time to produce the CD and has objected to the bail prayer made in this application. Full stop. After going through the materials and record, it appears that the basic allegation brought against the applicant is one under Section 11 of the Act of 2006. First up, under the said provision, any person, including the parents or guardian of a minor, who is found to promote or permit or negligently fails to prevent child marriage from being conducted would be liable to be punished for a maximum period of 2 years and also to pay fine, which may extend up to 1 lakh. Full stop. There is nothing in the Ejahar which implicates the applicant directly. Full stop. If it is a fact that the victim got married, if it is a fact that the marriage took place with a 17-year-old girl on a date disclosed in the Ejahar, then the persons responsible for the same may be punishable under the provisions of the Act of 2006. First of, however, for that, no custodial detention would be necessary, since the facts about the marriage are not only in the public domain, but also apparently known to the informant as well. Full stop. Under the circumstances, I do not deem it to be a fit case to grant more time to the state to produce the CD. Full stop. This bail application is therefore allowed. The applicant is allowed to go on bail by furnishing a bond of rupees 30,000